my channel. I know I'm posting this video and I'm like shooting this video from a very long time, after a very long time actually. There are a lot of things that has happened with me in past 2 months. Because of that, I took a break. I thought that there are certain things that need more attention than this. So I thought, why not to take a break? I'm going to discuss about this later on in my video, because when I took that break and why, what is the reason why I took break? The people who are around me, who are closer to me, they know why, what has happened. But I'm going to share it in my separate video, because there is something that I have learned from that incident. So I definitely wanted to share it, but I'm going to share it in my different video. So this is a completely different video. I'm not sure how many people are going to relate to this video, because this is specifically for those people who is actually in their healing journey, or who have already been healed, or who are a healer, you know. So this is for all those people who is in this journey with me, or like if they are coping up with their feelings, with their emotions, who is trying to connect with themselves, to make themselves a better human being. So this video is for all those people. So yeah, let's get started. So you have already gone through my thumbnail and you already know what I'm going to talk about. So yeah, this is something that not everybody is going to relate to. There are people around you who will always expect something from you. Okay, and it's completely fine. It's like, it's a human nature, and people expect a lot of things from you. And the people who are on this healing journey is no different. Okay, so the people who are like on their healing journey, there are people who will expect you to always be humble, to always be kind, to always have a positive mindset, blah blah blah, like a lot of things, right? Become questionable because of this. Am I on the right path? I'm on the healing journey. I should have done that or not. Okay, so I'm going to share all these myths, some of the myths that needed to be shared, so that I believe that it could help you out. So the first myth is that people think that you will always have a positive mindset. Okay, and even also the people who is on their healing journey, or who have already been healed, they also think the same thing, that you will always have a positive mindset, you will never have a negative mindset. But no, it's not like that. You will have a negative perspective, you will have a negative thought going on in your mind, and it's completely fine. It shows that you are a human, right? We always have positive and negative both. The thing is that how you take up with things. Okay, it's completely fine. It's normal. Okay, so you don't have to be always a positive person. Whenever you feel that, okay, this is like, because your mind is 24/7, it's working, right? So it will always show you a negative consequences of everything. Like, suppose the YouTube that I'm doing, right? I have this positive mindset, I have this faith, I have this trust that I can do it, right? But my mind tells me a lot of things. What is going to happen if you are not going to succeed? What if you are going to fail? What would be the consequences? You will feel embarrassed. There are a lot of things. Or sometimes if you want to procrastinate, that is also a kind of a negative thing, negative thought. So it's completely fine. It's our brain. It works 24/7. It shows you a negative perspective of other thing as well, so that you can take a right decision. So it's completely fine. It's completely fine. It's completely up to you how you want to take it, right? So it's okay to sometimes think negative. It's normal. Okay. Point number 2. You are not going to feel anything. Okay, which is so not true. It's a big lie. Okay, it's a big lie. See, as I've mentioned you earlier, in my last point, we are human. we are human. If we will not have emotions, like if we'll get angry, like any kind of emotions, yeah, like any kind of emotions, like anger, happiness, you are crying, you're frustrated, any kind of emotions shows that you are human. If you will not show your emotions, then you're not a human, you're a robot, right? So it's completely fine. If you want to cry, just cry. If you want to be angry, it's fine. Just be angry, just be frustrated. Don't think कि आपको लोग कुछ भी बोलेंगे और आप ना हमेशा एकदम ऐसे हंसते रहोगे और आपको आपके अंदर से कोई इमोशंस ही नहीं है, आपको गुस्सा ही नहीं आएगा, आपको रोना ही नहीं आएगा. नहीं, दैट इज गोइंग टू हैपन. कोई चीज है, हाँ, आपका पेशेंस लेवल हो सकता है कि थोड़ा बढ़ जाए, राइट. द पेशेंस लेवल वुड बी लाइक कि हाँ ठीक है, एक बार मैंने ये चीज बोली, सामने वाले ने नहीं समझा, फिर दूसरी बार आपने बोला, फिर भी वो नहीं समझा, तीसरी बार बोला, फिर भी नहीं समझा. वी ऑल आर अ ह्यूमन, राइट. वी ऑल हैव अ लिमिट ऑफ एवरीथिंग. आप वो लिमिट क्रॉस करोगे तो किसी को भी गुस्सा आएगा, राइट. एंड let me tell you one thing, when people are on their healing journey, why they do that? Not for you, okay, not for anyone. We heal for ourselves. हम अपने लिए हील होते हैं, ठीक है. हम अपने आप से प्यार करने के लिए हील होते हैं. बिकॉज जब हम लोगों के लिए करने लगते हैं ना, हम सब के लिए करते हैं, ठीक है. हम सब के लिए करते हैं. हम अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए करते हैं, हम अपने फ्रेंड्स के लिए करते हैं. If you have a partner, you do that for your partner. We sacrifice a lot, ठीक है. तो उस जर्नी में ना you forget yourself. आप भूल जाते हो कि आप भी अपने लिए इम्पोर्टेंट हो. नहीं, एक्चुअली आप ही इम्पोर्टेंट हो अपने लिए. आप अपने आप को प्रायोरिटाइज ही नहीं करते तब कि you should be the most important thing, most important human. Because आपकी लाइफ में लोग आएंगे जाएंगे, बट यू आर द ओनली वन हु इज गोइंग टू स्टे विथ यू अंटिल योर डेथ बेड. तो आप अपने आप को कैसे भूल सकते हो, राइट. सो पीपल हील फॉर देमसेल्फ, नॉट फॉर एनीवन एल्स, नॉट फॉर पेरेंट्स, नॉट फॉर योर फ्रेंड्स, नॉट फॉर योर पार्टनर. नो वन. इफ यू आर हीलिंग फॉर समवन एल्स कि वो ठीक है, मैं तो हील हो जा रही हूँ ताकि ना मैं लोगों के साथ अच्छे से ट्रीट करूँ, अच्छे से बात करूँ. नहीं, लोग हील अपने लिए होता है, किसी और के लिए हील नहीं होता है. अगर आप किसी और के लिए हील हो रहे हो तो यू आर नॉट ऑन द राइट पाथ. पॉइंट नंबर 3, पीपल थिंक दैट doesn't matter however they are going to treat you, you will always be kind, you will always be humble. अब तो because you are healing, right, and you are on your healing journey, or you are a healer, or you have already healed, it means that doesn't matter how I'm going to treat you, you will always be humble. But no, honey, it doesn't work like that. It means that, see, for us, as we are on our healing journey, we are working so much, as I've mentioned previously, it is for us, not for you, okay. So when we are healing for ourselves, we get connected with ourselves so much that if anyone is going to ruin your mental health, like my mental health, I will not tolerate that. As simple as that. This is what a healer or a person who is healing or a person who has already healed, they are like that. We are not going to tolerate if you are going to treat like shit. No. See, I have heard somewhere कि समझदार लोग वो नहीं होते कि कुछ गलत हो रहा होता है ना तो वो अपना मुंह बंद करके सुनते रहते हैं. समझदार लोग वो होते हैं जो सही को सही और गलत को गलत बोलते हैं, राइट. शी ऑल्सो गिव दिस एग्जाम्पल कि सीता मैया को भी लेके गए थे ना, रावण लेके चले गए थे, राइट. तो राम जी सोच सकते थे हाँ ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, मैं तो अच्छा हूँ, आई हैव टू बी हम्बल, आई हैव टू बी काइंड, ठीक है चलेगा. नहीं, ही फॉट फॉर इट, राइट. और वो लेके आए सीता मैया को. तो इसे समझदार इंसान बोलते हैं. समझदार मतलब आप, बिकॉज यू आर हीलिंग, दैट डजंट मीन कि आपके अंदर कोई इमोशंस नहीं होगा, आपको गुस्सा नहीं आएगा. डजंट मैटर हाउ एवर पीपल आर गोइंग टू ट्रीट यू, विल ऑलवेज बी हम्बल, यू विल ऑलवेज बी काइंड. नो, take stand. Okay, I don't know how many times I have to say this, but take stand and don't question on yourself. क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, when we are on the healing journey, मैं खुद भी बहुत बार still अभी भी ऐसा होता है कि मैं किसी चीज़ पे चिल्ला देती हूँ या मुझे गुस्सा आता है, ऐसा कुछ होता है ना, तो मुझे लगता है कि क्या मैं सही कर रही हूँ, एम आई ऑन द राइट पाथ, मैं सही जगह पे हूँ कि नहीं, मैं हील कर भी रही हूँ कि नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं कुछ गलत कर रही हूँ क्या, ऐसा कुछ है. बट फिर लगता है कि नहीं, मैं गलत कैसे हूँ, लाइक हाउ आई एम रॉन्ग, दिस इज वॉट आई एम डूइंग. मैं बचपन से तो यही करते आई हूँ ना. आई हैव बिन लिसनिंग टू एवरीबडी, कभी किसी से बोलना नहीं. पीपल हैव बिन यूजिंग मी फ्रॉम सिंस माई चाइल्डहुड. आई हैवंट सेड एनीथिंग टू एनीवन. Doesn't matter however they have treated me. तो मैं गलत कैसे हूँ? Finally I am connecting with myself. Finally the thing that is wrong for me, I am taking stand for it. तो उसमें गलत कहाँ हूँ मैं? इसके लिए मैंने बहुत मेहनत की है. I've done a lot of efforts to connect with myself. मैं वापस तो वहाँ नहीं जाने वाली ना. Okay, so you also have to think. Okay, you also have to understand that you are not wrong. Okay, you have complete rights to cry, to laugh, to be happy, to get angry, to get frustrated, to say right to right, and to say wrong to wrong. It's completely fine. You are human, we all are human, and we have to be like this. Okay, it means that you are on your right path. Okay, point number 4 and last point. You don't need psychiatrist. नहीं 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 नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. Because you have healed, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है that you don't need psychiatrist. Psychiatrist का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि जब भी आपकी लाइफ में कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. See, how would I say that? See, mental health is not illness. Okay, you are not sick. आपकी तबीयत खराब नहीं है कि आप साइकियाट्रिस्ट के पास गए, उसने मेडिसिन दे दी आपको और you are okay. ऐसा नहीं होता है. It doesn't work like that. You have to go constantly because there are things that is kept inside you from a very long time and it takes time. Okay? आपकी लाइफ में हमेशा कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम आती रहेगी. The other thing is that कि you share things with people, right? You share things with your friend, your family members, anyone. But what they are going to tell you, what advice they are going to tell you, whatever advice they would have, it would be completely biased to you because they just know you, right? They don't know the other people, the other person, what his perspective is. I'm not saying that psychiatrist also knows, but they will not have a biased approach. They would not have a biased mindset. Hey, okay, she is my patient or she is I'm helping her to cope up with her mental health issues, तो मुझे अब इसका साइड ही लेना है. ठीक है, कुछ भी होगा तो नहीं, ये सही है नहीं. शी इज नॉट गोइंग टू, बट एट द सेम टाइम ऐसा भी नहीं है कि वो ऐसा बोलेगी कि तुम गलत हो. नहीं, उनका पर्सपेक्टिव ऐसा होता है that you are not right, you are not wrong, but at the same time that person is also not wrong. Okay, maybe you have to think according to that person's perspective. ठीक है, वो दोनों के पर्सपेक्टिव के हिसाब से आपको आंसर देगी. ओके, शी इज नॉट गोइंग टू, बिकॉज उसका काम क्या है? उसका काम है आपको हेल्प करना. शी कुड हैव सेड यू कि नहीं नहीं तुम सही हो, तुमने कुछ गलत नहीं किया. But let me tell you, she is going to give you an example. She is going to give you an answer like this. Like suppose I had a fight with someone and I will go to my psychiatrist and I will tell you, see, these things has happened and he did this to me or she did this to me. So she will be like, Snehal, it's completely fine if someone have told you this. Okay, you know that person is wrong. Okay, but you don't know what his mindset is. Maybe वो भी mental health या mental issue से किसी भी चीज़ से गुजर रहा होगा. या गुजर रही होगी जो वो नहीं एक्सेप्ट करेंगे. वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ देयर ईगो, राइट? सो यू हैव टू लेट देम गो. व्हाट्स योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी? What is your responsibility? Just think about it. You should not care what people are thinking about you. ठीक है, लोगों का माइंडसेट आपको लेके क्या है, आपके दिमाग में वो बात आनी नहीं चाहिए, राइट? सो इट्स कम्प्लीटली फाइन. ठीक है, यू हैव टू थिंक अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर पर्सपेक्टिव एज वेल. देन यू आर गोइंग टू आस्क लाइक व्हाई आई हैव टू थिंक, व्हाई दैट पर्सन इज नॉट गोइंग टू थिंक as I am thinking about him, and I am having a perspective according to him. Why, or her, why she is not having a perspective like I do? So she will be like, that is the thing. We get attached to things, we get attached to human, we get attached to them, and then because of that we start to have expectation which hurts us. So it's not their fault, it's our fault. We start to expect from people. Okay, they haven't asked, right? So that is what you have to understand. You will always need a psychiatrist who have a completely unbiased opinion. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you are going to like it. As I have mentioned earlier, this is not for everyone, but my videos are not just for specifically for a group of people. It's for everyone who where I feel that this can be helpful for them. So yeah, I've shared a few of the myth. Please don't question yourself. You're completely normal. It's okay to get angry, to get frustrated. Please bring out your emotions. It's really important, because आप अगर अपने emotions अपने अंदर रखोगे, ये मैं बहुत टाइम बोल चुकी हूँ, it's not just for women, it's for men also. Actually, especially men, because men से ऐसा expect ही किया जाता है that they should not show their emotions. Okay, vulnerable होना, रोना, these are like not a normal thing. बंदे रोते नहीं हैं. This is literally not right. Okay, so please, okay, please cry. Okay, रो, झगड़ो, चिल्लाओ, whatever you want to do, just do it, and it's completely normal. You are human and you have to be as a human. ठीक है? Okay, ये emotions निकलना बहुत ज़रूरी है, because ये emotions निकलेंगे तभी आप खुश रहोगे. Okay? Otherwise it will be kept inside you, it will get piled up, and then you are going to throw all these emotions, all these angers to someone who don't deserve that. Okay, so yeah, please love yourself. I'm going to meet you next in my video. Bye bye.